Welcome to this lecture on rhythm, stress, and pausing. Now, by the end of this video, you will be able to use rhythm, stress, and pausing to persuade. English is a very rhythmic language. How you place stress and pausing can enhance and greatly affect your communication with others. In the context of speaking persuasively, placing stress on the wrong word can make others miss your main point or your main argument, or worse, they can completely misunderstand what you're trying to say. So it is important that you understand the needs and the effects of stress and pausing in your speech. Let's first look at how stressing works. In sentences, certain words receive more stress than others. We normally stress the main meaningful words of a sentence, which we call content words. Content words are nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. We do not normally stress less important words like pronouns or prepositions, which we call function words. I say normally because it can happen. I'm going to speak a very short sentence for you and then ask you to identify which word is stressed. To give you some context, let's pretend I'm shopping for a puppy, and I want to agree with a friend that I think a particular puppy is cute. Here's the sentence. She is cute. I'll repeat it one more time. She is cute. Can you hear the word I'm stressing? Take a look at the three examples on the screen. Which sentence shows the stress word in my example? The correct answer is the second sentence. I placed stress on the verb to show that I agree with my friend. Remember, changing the stress on content words and function words in a sentence can change the meaning, and it can also emphasize a main point that you're trying to make. Listen to these three examples. Our product has brought joy to millions of people in Asia. Our product has brought joy to millions of people in Asia. Our product has brought joy to millions of people in Asia. As we just talked about, stress highlights key words for a listener's attention. We often pause slightly before a strongly stressed word to add emphasis or emotion. Let's take a look at this sentence. Where do you think the pausing should occur? Try reading it out loud. Here's how I would say the sentence. Their product is well designed, but it is too expensive. Did you notice where I paused? I paused after the word designed. I did this because I wanted to emphasize the contrast between the ideas that I think it is a well-designed product, but it is expensive. The word but already does this, but by placing a slight pause between the two phrases, I'm placing more emphasis on the contrast. Here, let me repeat. Their product is well designed, but it is too expensive. To sum up, stressing places emphasis on the meaning of the stress word, while pausing breaks the sentences into chunks of meaning. Apart from that, pausing also is used to strongly stress a word and add emphasis. Go ahead, practice using stress and pausing. Listen to speeches by native speakers. TED Talks is an excellent place to watch videos. Pay attention to how people pause in between words and also how they also place stress on certain words. You'll notice that pausing quite often is not a grammatical point in a sentence. What I mean by that is they don't pause where there's always a comma or a full stop. Sometimes they place pauses in between certain chunks of meaning in a text. So watch people. Pay attention how they use pausing to draw your attention to certain points. And also pay attention to how they stress certain words, how they make use of that stress to persuade you, to make you focus on a main point that you're trying to say. Thanks for watching.